guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful wall mirror, or it could be a desk mirror if you wanted, using some Dollar Tree items. And so yeah, it came out absolutely beautiful. I love it, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Actually, this was very quick and it was extremely easy. So first I'm going to go through a list of the things that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using one pearlized white charger from the Dollar Tree, one 8-inch round mirror from Joann's, one panel of cardboard from a shipping box. I'm going to be using this sparkle wrap that I used in my last video to do my perfume bottles. You guys saw that. If you didn't see it, I'll link it in the cards above. I'm going to be using these small round acrylic flat back embellishments, and I got this from Amazon. Also going to be using my pencils, my scissors, my glue gun, my glue sticks, which I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to get started. Now the mirror that I'm using, I got it from Joann. I got the mirror on sale and it actually cost me $1.50. So I'm going to use the mirror and I'm going to trace it onto the cardboard. After I've traced it, I'm going to cut it out. Next, I'm going to apply some hot glue to one side of the cardboard. So I'm going to apply the mirror to the cardboard so that it can be extra sturdy. And here I just placed a covering over the mirror so that I wouldn't break the mirror. So again, these are the wrap gems that I'm going to be using. And I'll leave a link below if you're interested in that. And so what I did, I've already cut them into strips, 3 rows. Strips, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer perimeter of the mirror and the cardboard. It's going to act as a decorative embellishment, like a side embellishment. And I'm just using a little bit of hot glue at the beginning of each strip of the embellishments, just to make sure it doesn't lift from the cardboard, because I'm not exactly sure if this really adheres well to cardboard. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue to the back of the mirror, and I'm going to adhere it to the charger. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure and let it set. So right here are the acrylic flat back embellishments. So I picked that up from CraftbuddyUS on Amazon, and I'll leave the link if you're interested. And you get 50 of these for $7. And so I thought that was a good deal. I do like using them, so I just picked up a couple of packages. I'm just going to apply these directly to the charger, but at the edge of the mirror. And I'm going to do that all the way around the mirror. So next I'm going to apply a second row of embellishments on top of the first row that I just completed. Next, I'm going to be using some gemstone stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to apply that to the edge of the mirror just to give it a little extra sparkle. I'm going to do that all the way around the mirror. Then after that, I'm going to use a single gem and apply it in between the spaces of the top layer of the embellishment. And after that, guys, that's it, that's done. And it came out absolutely beautiful, and it was really quick. It was easy. I absolutely love this. Right now I have it on my wall, but I will move it to the table. I did adhere it to the wall with some command strips so that I can take it down very easily without destroying my wall. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think below. Thank you so much for joining me. It's always a pleasure to spend time with you. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.